Good evening, everyone. My name is Yannick Roux. After leaving Tesla last year, I was bombarded by requests to advise electric mobility startups. When my friend Roman introduced me to Ramp, I was immediately struck by the young and passionate engineers, Mel and Amro. They are on a mission to provide mobility to those who need it the most, by making humans better, faster, stronger. Please welcome Mel.
Work it, make it, do it, makes us all better, faster, stronger.
That don't kill me.
Our story started 8 years ago. I got into a motorcycle accident and flipped over, breaking my spine and leaving me paralyzed from the chest down. Now I use a wheelchair, and everywhere I go has become a challenge. I didn't choose this problem. It chose me. The problem of grass, gravel, mud, snow, and really any unpaved surface any time of year. And inclines. No matter what the internet tells you, the world isn't flat. But if you don't want to push yourself, you need a 300-pound power chair that can't be transported without a hydraulic lift. So I opted for a manual chair and the shoulder strain that came with it. Over time, I learned how to wheelie in a manual, to wheelie over obstacles, maximizing ground clearance and preventing the front wheels from getting stuck. I have to do this everywhere I go. It's exhausting. And I can only do this because I work out a lot, obviously. But what if I didn't have to push or wheelie? What if no one had to, ever again? Introducing the Ramp Chair, an attachment that converts any manual wheelchair into an off-road electric vehicle. It can self-balance to wheelie over obstacles, wheeling over rocks, down curbs, and it can be controlled remotely, tearing through grass, gravel, mud, and snow. Hills are no problem. It can always be used as a manual chair, never leaving you stranded from a dead battery like our competitors. It's portable enough to fit in any car, rideshare, or plane, and at under 35 pounds, it's the lightest electric wheelchair in the world. So you can commute to work or ride it anywhere you want. Before today, you would need 3 different wheelchairs to do what Ramp does with one. A manual for portability, an electric for mobility, and an off-road for the outdoors. Who carries around 3 wheelchairs? Ramp enables you to leave home with one vehicle that can do it all. We're launching our beta testing program in partnership with USA Shooting, the governing body for the US Paralympic teams. These athletes are representing our country and winning medals, yet they can't always make it to practice because they're blocked by gravel or snow. They deserve better. Everyone deserves better. We're also tapped into the communities of the nation's top 3 rehab hospitals, including patients, the therapists that make their purchasing decisions, and some amazing brand ambassadors. Wheelchairs are purchased for between $4,000 and $20,000. We're launching with an $8,000 recreational model sold online and at retail. Launching in 2020, it's an electric mountain bike for your butt. We're also in the process of FDA clearance for a $10,000 medical model reimbursed by insurance. 1% of the population need wheelchairs, and last year, $2 billion were spent on electric wheelchairs in the US alone. This market has 18% year-over-year growth, and it's about to hit an inflection point. The aged population will grow faster in the next decade than any other time in history. By 2035, they'll outnumber minors. And guess what? they're going to need a lot of wheelchairs. So why choose electric vehicles for our first startup? Why not something easier like B2B SaaS? If you didn't get it, then it's a startup joke. Anyway. Well, the reason is that disability has affected the families of everyone on our founding team. We're mechanical engineers. Using hardware to solve real problems is what we do best. So if our mission can help you or someone you know, go to our website, sign up, and tell everyone you know. But our mission doesn't stop at building wheelchairs. Our mission is to cure disability using robotics. Today, we're using the latest technology to make wheelchairs into electric vehicles. Tomorrow, we'll use exoskeletons to make wheelchairs obsolete. Because I didn't choose this problem, but I won't stop working to solve it until I'm walking again. Thank you so much. Alex, Bart, Ben, Jim, Joe, Joseph, Anke, Chris, Patrick, Kelly.
Thank you for all your help and for getting us to where we are today.